So here we can see this is a figure, unsymmetrical figure. So you have to find out the center of gravity of this figure, and in this figure this is x, reference axis, x axis, y axis, and you have to find out what x bar as well as y bar, because it is symmetry about, not symmetry about neither x axis nor y axis. So you have to find out x1, y1. Okay, so let us divide this figure into three parts, that is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so first section 1. Okay, so section 1, what is a1? A1, this is a semicircle. So what is the area for semicircle? Pi r square by 2. So this means pi. What is the radius here? Here radius is how much? 25. So 25 square by 2. Okay, so we are getting as near about 982 mm square. Next, what is x1? X1. Okay, so this is the origin. We are going like this. Okay, on this onwards. So what is the formula for center of gravity of a semicircle? Semicircle, this is 4. If this is the center of gravity, this is what? 4r by 3 pi. Okay, this distance is 4r by 3 pi. Okay, so what is your x1? X1 is nothing but your, this distance is our x1. Okay, so if this distance is our x1, so how you will find out x1? Is nothing but this total distance, that is your 25 minus 4r by 3 pi. Since we are going in this way, so we are measuring this distance as x1. Okay, so this becomes what? 25 minus 4 into 25 divided by 3 pi. Okay, so this is nothing but 14.4 mm. Okay, similarly, what is y? Y is nothing but this distance. Okay, so if this is 50, so this is your nothing but 25. So y1 is nothing but 25 mm. That is your r, that is okay. Next is for section 2. Section 2 is what? A rectangle. So what is a1? A1 is nothing but 100 into 50, that is nothing but 5000 mm square. Okay, next, what is x1? X1 here, x 100 by 2 plus, we cannot leave this distance because as we are going from this onwards forward. ओके हम लोग ऐसे जा रहे हैं, सो वी कैन नॉट लीव दिस डिस्टेंस. सो 100 प्लस 25 divided by 2. So this becomes how much? 75 mm. Similarly, what is y1? Y1 is nothing but, this is the base, from base we are going in this direction. So 50 by 2, that equals to 25 mm. Okay, next for section 3. So for section 3, what is a3? A3 is nothing but half base into height, that equals to 1 by 2. What is the base? 50 into height, that is 50. Okay, so what is 1250 mm square is your a3. Next, what is x3? X3, that means this distance. Okay, so x3 is how much? This is, if this is 50, so 50 by 2, that is 25. So 50 by 2 plus, now we cannot leave this distance. Okay, So this cannot be left. So this distance is how much? 50 plus 25, that is equal to what? That equals to nothing but 100 mm. Next, what is y3? Y3 is nothing but, what is the formula for y3? 50 by 3. Okay. Next, if this is 50 by 3, we are from going from down to upward, so this distance is added. So 50 plus 50 by 3, that equals to how much? 66.7. Now what is x bar? X bar is nothing but a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3, that equals to nothing but, what is a1? 982 into x1 14.4 plus a2 5000 into x2, that is 75 plus a3 1250 into x3 100 divided by 982 plus your 5000 plus 1250. So this is how much? This is your 71.1 mm. Okay. Similarly, what is y bar? Y bar is nothing but a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Okay, so a1 is how much? 982 into y1 is 25 plus a2 5000 into y2 is your 25 plus a3 is your 1250 into y3 66.7 divided by 982 plus 5000 plus 1250. So this becomes what? 32.2 mm. Okay, so this is the answer.